Okay. Okay, Mama. We're going to put on our little thingy here.
She's gone. And you can't see her anymore.
Put your leg in there. Yeah. It's your baby. Good baby. Wait a minute. Did we mess it up? What? Did we mess it up?
Alex's features were quite correct.
Don't bite
He
me.
was, and he is something very special.
Stop biting me.
He has a mind like imprisoned steam. The
No.
more it is pressed, the more it rises.
What we got going
All
here.
right, doctor, did he mention the
Okay,
bacteria?
this is
Don't
wrong.
hidden the vial under a pier somewhere.
Wait a minute. This is wrong.
You were.
Come
We're not
here.
sure of anything yet.
Come here.
Was there a few near the rocks where you met the girl? I'm going off.
Okay.
HPD
All right.
up there. Also the war for
Turn
the
this way.
All right, gentlemen. Is that it? Have we exhausted all possibilities?
Okay.
I'd like to try something else.
Mama, I'm lost
What?
here.
Go. You can't mean that again. I do.
Here we go.
He may change his mind. He may want to see if the vial is still all right and lead us to it. And what if your men lose him? I got an unlimited.
Don't you bite me.
HPD, National Guard.
Don't you bite me.
It's a calculated risk, but at least it's positive. Keeping him confined here is just waiting for the end to come. No, it's too much of a gamble. We can't accept that risk. Alex Klein is on the verge of a nervous breakdown. Correct. He's been drugged and
Okay.
threatened.
Now.
His logic and guilt have been worked on to the point that he may
Right.
soon collapse. Now, if he breaks down mentally, Chad, what do we got? Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Okay. Now.
I'm hoping and praying that if we leave him alone,
There we go.
come to his senses.
There we go. You acting like a beached whale. Where are you?
Garrett, it's your responsibility. If I lose him, Mr. K, you think it really matters?
There we go. All right. Now get up. Get up. Stop acting like you can't move. Oh, you want to fight a sister now, huh? That what you want to do? You want to fight a sister, huh? You want to fight a sister, huh? Come on, stop fighting me. Get up. Get up. Stop acting like you can't move. Stop acting like you can't move. You can move. That is not tight. Get up. Get up. Get up. Come on. Get up.
You don't have to take a physical or answer any health questions.
Come on, Mama. Get up.
Well, how do you know?
Get up for Grandma. Get up for Grandma. Get up for Grandma.
It costs just $9.95 a month per unit. It's perfect for my budget. My rate will never go up.
Get up for Grandma.
And my coverage will never go down.
Get up for Grammy.
Affordable coverage and guaranteed acceptance.
Get up for Get up for Grammy.
Protect your loved ones from the burden of final expenses. If you're between 50 and 85, you can get quality insurance that does not require
Oh my God, it's so heavy. I can't move. Why does this lady keep putting this thing on me? She knows I can't move. Oh my goodness, life sucks and then you die. Come on, silly baby, you can move. Get up from there. Stop acting like you can't move. And stop looking at my hand like you gonna fight somebody. What? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Huh? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Huh? You wanna fight? Oh yeah, we can move now. When you get off your back like you can't get up. Get up. Yeah, that's right. I got your whole eye up in the place. Look at you. Look at you. Why are you acting like you can't move? Huh?
Unit 3 to Unit 4. Suspect crossing corner at Mauna Kea End Hotel.
Is that enough? Say, is that enough for you, Mommy? If I had made you, Grandma, make me act stupid for enough? I mean, long enough? Huh? That it, boo-boo? Have I been acting stupid long enough? Come on, Mama. Come on. Will you stop acting like you can't move? Stop acting like you can't move. Why are you all twisted up like that? Okay. Boom. That's enough for Mommy. That's enough for Mommy. That's enough? That's enough? Will you stop acting like... Stand up. Look at the doggy. See the doggy? Stand up. Okay, that's it. No more.